Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to clean Toyota Camry Hybrid engine, only ways. Start by disconnecting the 12V battery and isolating the high-voltage interlock, then set the vehicle on level ground. Gather plastic covers, a soft brush, automotive degreaser safe for electronics, and lint-free towels. Avoid pressurized water near electrical connectors and use minimal cleaner on sensitive components. Take photo references before removal and reassembly to ensure correct connector placement and hose routing. Prepare all tools before starting to avoid delays and exposure to hazards. You will need a safe degreaser, soft brush, microfiber towels, plastic scrapers, and dielectric grease for connectors. Keep replacement clips and fasteners handy in case originals are brittle or missing. Use small containers to organize screws and label them for each area you disassemble. Work methodically from top of engine bay to bottom to prevent cross-contamination and missed spots. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like to support more detailed guides. Quick recommendation: Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth, pairs well with practical life maintenance habits and long-term planning. Check the video description for the link and other deals if you want to pick up a copy. Now let's get back to the video. Start by protecting the intake, fuse box, and hybrid control modules with plastic and tape. Apply degreaser to oily spots, allow a short dwell time, then gently scrub with a soft brush to lift grime. Use a low-pressure mist or damp towel to remove residue, avoiding direct spray into connectors or sensors. Dry thoroughly with microfiber towels and compressed air at low pressure if available. Reconnect components, apply dielectric grease, and test systems after reassembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.